Hey guy, once again welcome to the cool world of latest and awesome gadgets, and about today's gadgets, most of them will easily come inside your budget, so sit relaxed and enjoy this amazing journey of technology. Guys, you are watching Gadget World. Normally, while working on a laptop, when 50 different windows open, then some, you must be in a similar situation with a little. The screen itself becomes a mess looking at this problem. If it is dual screen, then obviously your work will also be easy. You will be able to do it twice as fast in this. Look-wise, this laptop is very sleek and stylish. As soon as you open it, two big screens will come in front of you. Do your office work in the upper screen and games in the lower one. Keep playing or watch online in the upper screen, run classes and play videos in the lower one. 2 means definitely in this laptop you will be able to do more work in less time than traditional laptops. Compared to this, you can connect the keyboard separately and use it, so that from editing of content creator to office work and students' projects, all can be completed in half the time. If I talk about this cable in one line, then it is one cable which will rule all other cables. This one cable has 4 features, and after buying this, you will not need any other cables in your house. No, normal cables are from type A to type C, and even so it is so strong that even if you intentionally try to break or damage it, it will not damage it. It will be charge Android, iPad and tablets, all will charge. It has also 40 megabits per second transfer speed. If you are new content creator and not spend more on shooting equipments, then use this video rag, hold it by the handle and start video shooting. Start videos with this, it becomes quite stable. They are absolutely pro quality. If you want, you can also set this rig on a tripod. And the best thing will be that both light and mic will be installed in this rig, and directly, with this rig coming in this budget, you will not have to spend a lot of money on expensive equipment. And you will get next level video quality. This is a mechanical gaming keyboard. Friends, you will also get to see RGB lights in this. The caps are made of transparent PC material, but I found its backlight quite amazing. There are many different modes of backlights, and what makes this keyboard unique is its knob, with which you can directly switch and adjust the volume and its backlight to be fully on in just a second. When you press the key, the sound is also very satisfying. Overall, brother, for gamers, it will be perfect from every aspect. There are 2 cool gadgets with transparent design, so the second one is this transparent gaming mouse. This mouse and the keyboard I showed you earlier, combination of both, imagine how much next level it will take on your gaming disc. Now let me tell you that this is a wireless mouse, but if you want to avoid latency problem while playing games, then there is an option to make wide connection. However, there is no problem of latency in it anyway for wireless connection. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, friends. You can adjust its RGB lighting as well, and due to transparent design, its complete internal structure is visible. Friend, that looks very awesome. By the way, you can use it with your smartphone as well. There are only 2 color choices, black and white, but that doesn't matter because both are ultimately RGB. The lights glow, plus there are side keys with which you can easily go back and forth during browsing your files and internet. Now guys, this is not a lighter, it is a box of nostalgia. Let's see some of its special features. By the way, this lighter reminds me of old gaming consoles, right? And look, its buttons are like those of our childhood. You are playing with memories and nonsense. Forget the tension of battery. This lighter, it is rechargeable. Just charge it once and then keep on using it, although you cannot play games etc. in it, but yes, look-wise it is absolutely on point. The lighter will make your style even more cool. It does not produce flames, but an arc is produced with the help of which you can burn things, and it is cool. It also has a night light, so being a lighter, it has a lot of catchy features which you just can't resist. These AR glasses are different, friends. Just understand that a theater is permanently lying in your pocket, your source of entertainment, personal world, only yours, where you can come and go whenever you want by putting these on. you can watch your favorite movies and shows on a 360-inch massive virtual screen on your favorite OTG platforms. In a way, it is like a complete theater experience. But that's not all. There is a lot more. Suppose you are getting bored sitting in a bus or metro, then put these on and start playing your favorite game. That means gaming on the go, and all this with complete privacy. Obviously when you wear these glasses then and nobody will see it, and apart from entertainment you can also work in it, and not just one but many screens. Now guys, look, summer has started, and with that the phase of getting drenched in sweat as soon as you step out of the house has started. You can use AC cooler inside the house, but what will you do when you go out? I will tell you, you can take this portable fan with you outside. You can go out. It is very light in weight and very compact in size. You can easily carry it by holding it by its handle and keep it wherever you want because it is below. There is a big wide base attached to it. There are some buttons etc. in it. Swinging function is also there in it, and the fan speed can be adjusted, but the best thing is that it is fully wireless and rechargeable, so whether you are inside the house, on the terrace or outside, that means literally anywhere, it will not let you. Why fall prey to shaky hands while making videos when you can buy such a cool 3-axis gimbal stabilizer in budget? And this is not a gimbal, it is a complete content creation setup in itself. Let me tell you how. First of all, it has object and face tracking feature. That is, while making a video, it can maintain equal focus on a particular object or your face no matter how much you move. After that, you can attach a magnetic light on the top side of it which glows in many different colors for different aesthetic effects. You can shoot moving time-lapse videos with it, and the videos made with it will neither have any shake effects nor any blur, like butter smooth video with pro quality stability. Imagine that you have your own intelligent personal vehicle which comes to you when you call it and follows you. Then that vehicle will be less, your friend will feel more well saved. Segway NineBot S plus something. This is what it does, friends. It is self-balancing. It is electric. It is built in standing on the platform. You can ride it smoothly. Children and adults can ride it because there is no tension of balancing it. Because as I just told you, it is self-balancing, you wherever you go, it will follow you. Apart from this, friends, it also has a lot of aesthetic lighting which increases its visibility a lot at night. It is the boss of overall personal mobility. Guys, now it is your turn to like the video, so like it now. Also subscribe the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss new gadgets. Take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next video with some new gadgets. Bye.